We are in Twin Falls, Idaho, and we're going to do what today?
We're going to do a kayak tour on the Snake River. We'll be taken down on a pontoon boat, do a little hike, and then a 2 mile up, 2 mile back to Shoshone Falls.
We can get really close to the falls, but no closer than Dalton or I go, and then we'll assess from there. But again, you guys don't have to wear your life jackets if you don't want to. But yeah, you guys ready?
Yep. Okay, here we are. We're just starting our trip down the Snake River to Shoshone Falls. What's the name of the falls?
Shoshone.
Shoshone Falls, big waterfall, Niagara of the West. There goes Rhonda. Snake River. Let's see if I can get one like this. Bird.
Beautiful day for a kayak.
Okay, we're getting closer to the waterfall, and we're going to paddle as close as we can underneath it or right beside it. Give you a preview. There's the falls up ahead, and we're about to go as close as we can. Okay, we just made the 2 mile journey down the Snake River underneath where Evel Knievel made his infamous jump. We made it to Shoshone Falls. There they are. Here's Rhonda. Come on up a little bit. Just a little rough right here in front of the falls, but absolutely beautiful. All right, we're still going all the way to the edge of the falls. We're gonna go right over there in the corner where it's safer. You can't go within 100 feet of the main falls. And we go over here. The two on the right are called Grace Falls. That's where we're going. Okay, here we are, as close as we're gonna get. We're right on the wall. Grace Falls, right behind Rhonda. There's the rest of it over here. There's our guides in front of us. And there's some of the waterfall you don't normally get to see unless you get right up on it. Very cool. Someone is just relaxing, enjoying the cruise. Interesting turn of events. We didn't know, but they allowed us to dock kayaks on this little plot of land here, right by the falls. So we're allowed to get out and walk around, stretch out. So we'll Stop for just about 10 minutes, they said. Walk around, see the falls,
And
stretch out.
2 miles back.
2 miles back that way. And we're coming back in. We both completed the 4-mile round trip journey. Beautiful day.
Well, we just concluded our kayak trip down the Snake River to Shoshone Falls. Got a little bonus on the way back. Got to see a base jumper on the bridge. Boat driver was kind enough to stop and wait for us to get to see that, so that was super fun. Now we're off to get some dinner.
See ya.
Well, we got up this morning thinking we were going to go over to Blue Heart Springs and do a kayak down to the springs, but they were all booked up, so we decided to go ahead and take that opportunity to get on the road a little bit earlier, get out ahead of some of this 97-degree heat that we're experiencing here in southern Idaho. We'll be heading up to Idaho Falls just for one night before moving on to Grand Teton tomorrow. Still got to take care of some business here before we head out, but we're just getting ready to get on the road.